look at this. It's done, it's delicious, and my family's gonna love me for it. And Casey.
Oh yeah.
Seriously, it's so good. You guys are gonna love this fruit pizza. Enjoy. We are making fruit pizza, and it's a recipe that my neighbor Joan gave me, and you guys, it is a favorite. I've made it a few times. I prefer when she makes it, but since she's out of the country serving a mission for our church right now, I figured I better make it for our family because we're all here together today, and I know this is one of their very favorite desserts. So you guys, let's get cooking. Let's make fruit pizza together, and you guys are going to love it. It's quick, it's tasty, and it's the perfect treat, especially on a summer night when you're barbecuing, just like we're gonna be doing tonight as a family. So for the fruit pizza, what we're gonna do first is make the base, and it's a shortbread. It's made with flour, powdered sugar, and butter. Everything tastes better with butter. Don't you agree? Comment in this section below if you guys like to cook with butter, real butter. So I am actually doubling it today because, like I said, all my family except Blake, who's on a mission for our church right now, is here. But I'll put in the description below the recipe that's the normal amount, and you can double it if you want to make it in a large cookie sheet like this. So for right now, I have 4 cups of flour. I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 4 cubes of butter to the pot. And I have let this butter soften at room temperature. That's pretty important for this recipe, so it mixes in very easily. So let's just get this butter open. You guys, I am so excited for you guys to try this recipe. It is seriously one of our very favorites. So, so good. You guys, thank you so much for all your comments about my idea to have a cooking course that I would provide, especially for newlyweds, for young people that are just leaving home or getting married that want to learn to cook. You guys have given me some wonderful ideas. So if you're just watching this and just hearing about this, in 2025, I'm going live with a cooking course. I've committed to this, to you. I think there's a need, and I want your input. I want your help. So keep bringing in the comments. I want to hear all about ideas to help people learn to cook, and different courses or different lessons that I could include in my course that would be positive and really help people learn to cook and enjoy time in the kitchen. So you guys, I put this all in. I'm gonna use my pastry blender, and I'm just gonna mix it up just like this. See, my butter is so soft, it's just mixing right in. I am making a mess, which is what I do in my kitchen, but that's okay because messes clean up. So Casey said, can I do that? I think it looked satisfying, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome.
Is this one of your favorite desserts?
I love this dessert. It's so good.
It is so good. And Joan's recipes is the best.
Yeah.
It really is. So she's just gonna work it in, kind of like if you were making a pie crust, if you've ever made a pie crust before. And I already have my oven heated up to 350 so it can go right in and get cooking. We decided we needed a bigger pan so that we stopped making a mess on the counter. So we're just gonna dump it in this bowl right here, and it'll be a little easier for us. You're doing a great job. Thank you. Casey has a basketball game here in a little bit that we're gonna go watch. Yeah. Can't wait. So we'll actually get this cooked up and cooling before the basketball game. This is actually very fast. It just takes a moment or two to mix this all together. We'll dump it in the pan, cook it for 10 minutes at 350 degrees, and then let it cool, and then we'll add our toppings, and you guys, it's gonna be so yummy.
I'm excited.
So Casey's just gonna take this dough and dump it right here onto this cookie sheet, and then just press it down with her fingers. Get all the good stuff out, huh?
Yep.
We just actually tasted the dough because we're cooks like that. We like to taste what we cook, and it's actually really good.
Super good.
This is gonna be so yummy, you guys. That right there, after we get it pressed down, is gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. We'll pull it out, let it cool, then we're gonna make the topping. But before we make the topping, guess where we're headed? It's my favorite time on Quick and Tasty on the farm. We are gonna head out to the farm. And I have the cutest thing to show you today because my grandkids are here, and in our pasture, we made this trail with our tractor and the brush hog. And they have this little, what's it called, Casey?
Little
like
Ranger.
a Ranger Jeep, a little kid's electric toy car, and they've been riding it on this track in the field. So I'm gonna take you along. We may go see the horses, we may not, but I'm for sure gonna show you the grandkids in the field on the tractor. You guys, wasn't that so cute? The little boys are having so much fun out on that track in our pasture. And I just love to see my grandsons and my granddaughters and my kids together. It's honestly, as a grandma and a mom, it's the best thing ever. So, you guys, this is out of the oven. It's cooling. It's pretty hot right now, so we're just gonna let it cool for a while. And while that cools, I'm actually gonna make the filling, the top part. And what that consists of, and remember I'm doubling it, is 2 packages of cream cheese softened at room temperature, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 cups of Cool Whip. So we're gonna actually put the cream cheese in the bowl first, and I'm gonna mix it smooth, and then we'll add the other stuff. There's one. I actually got a bigger bowl this time because we were overflowing last time when we made the crust. You guys, I have my 2 cream cheeses in the bowl. I'm just gonna mix this smooth. You can come close to me and see what I'm doing. Let me show in the pan. Smooth, just like that. I'm gonna add 2 cups of powdered sugar. And I am actually gonna get a spoon and just kind of stir that so I don't have powdered sugar fly everywhere. So I got it kind of mixed together just a little bit so my powdered sugar doesn't blow up on me while I use my beater. And I'm just gonna turn it on, and we're just gonna mix it until it's totally smooth.
That looks good.
It does look good. I have my daughter Kaylee behind the camera now videoing for me because Casey had to go to her basketball game, and we're gonna go watch her here in just a little bit. So now I'm gonna add 2 cups of Cool Whip, and remember I don't measure, I just kind of guess. And I'm gonna beat this in just real slow. You could also just fold it in, but I'm just gonna gently beat that in. You guys, that is our topping right there. I'm gonna finish letting this cool. This is gonna spread on top, and then we're gonna put some fruit on top of the fruit pizza, and it's gonna be delicious. So we'll be back after the basketball game to finish things up. Basketball game was awesome. Casey's team won. We were starved by the time we got done, so we ran over to our son's house and had a barbecue. It was delicious. And now it's dark, you can tell by looking outside. And I'm gonna finish the pizza and take that over so that we can enjoy dessert together. You guys, this is the topping right here. I had just set it back in the fridge, but I am going to just use my spatula here to get it out and put it right on top, just like that. I don't want to leave any in there. Oh, I'm making a mess. And I am just gonna smear it all over this shortbread cooked dough. You guys, seriously, this is so yummy. Casey's back behind the camera.
Hey guys.
And we are just gonna do this real quick so that we can have dessert. Look at that, you guys.
Looks good.
That is what it looks like. Oops, a little bear right there. I'm gonna squish that over there on that side, just like that. You can put any fruit you want on here. Bananas, kiwi, pineapple, coconut, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, you name it, you can put it on here. Today we actually just chose blueberries and strawberries. So all you do is sprinkle it on, just like that. Doesn't that look so good, you guys? It's gonna taste amazing. Actually, Casey, we have blackberries in the fridge. You want to put those on too?
Oh yeah, we should.
That would be really good. So let me show what we do with strawberries real quick, and then we can get some blackberries out as well. To hold the strawberries is using a straw is such a cool tip. You just put that straw right there and push, and it pops out just like that. Like that. And then all we're gonna do is slice the strawberries and then sprinkle them on just like that. Pretty simple. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this. We'll show you the finished product. But seriously, you guys, my neighbor Joan is the best cook in the whole wide world, and that's where this recipe came from. Give it a try. The recipe's gonna be in the description below. I promise, without any doubt, this will be a family favorite. This fruit pizza is amazing. So give it a try. Any fruit you want. Tonight we're keeping it simple. If I had bananas, I'd probably put bananas on it because I love bananas. But just go give it a try and enjoy. Look at this. It's done. It's delicious. And my family's gonna love me for it. And Casey.
Oh yeah.
Seriously, it's so good. You guys are gonna love this fruit pizza. Enjoy. Hey Lydia, do you want some? You want some? Let's see if you like it. Is that yummy? She likes the fruit. See if she'll take a bite of the crust.
Ooh-wee. Is that good?
Give me a smile.
Are you gonna save some for Papa? Or are you gonna eat it all gone? She hasn't taken a breath.
Hold it. Hold it.
Is it good? Yeah, it's yummy, huh? Oh, look at that. Okay, Alan, you gotta come taste test. You're always my taste tester.
It's a rough job, but someone's gotta do it.
Roy, try some too.
You have a little spatula or something?
Yep.
Is that one not good enough? Or that one?
He's gonna have both. Okay, what do you think?
When I encouraged you to do a channel, it was really with ulterior motives to get to taste your food. You're looking like you're...
Is it good?
It's amazing. So good.
We were waiting for the verdict.
Look at her. She's cleared
I
off
know,
all the
look at
fruit.
that.
Here, so hold it.
Now just lick off the frosting and Grandma will eat the rest.
She's doing that. Oh, I asked if she could get messy.
Mmm. She's so tired she's not even smiling. But she's sure going after it.
Well, you guys, I think it was a hit. So, good night. We are headed to bed. I hope this little one can go to bed after so much sugar.
Can you smile?
Say cheese. Wave to the camera.
Can you wave bye-bye?
Say good night.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say good night.